Alright guys, so I'm going to be attempting to do another 10-minute makeup, and yeah, the time has started. So this is, I don't know if this is going to be my intro or if I'm going to have like a legit intro. You guys, shout out, yo, I have not used a pencil like this to do my brows in probably 2 years. It's either 2 years or 1 year, but it has been a hot blazing minute since I've used an eyebrow pencil. So Jonathan is in the background annoying grandma. So I am getting my brows all drawn up. As you can see, I do not have any eyebrows. I just leave one little tips as like a little guide of where I should go or I should not go, and then everything else has been completely deleted. It's obsolete. It's not needed. So I'm just drawing on how I would usually do my brows, and then hopefully this can be like a full talk over, like a full talk through, you know, like a real and raw talk through. So that's that. Let me not fiddle with that. Then I'm going to get my foundation in Rich Caramel from Black Opal, and I'm just finishing that up. Alright, I'm at 1 minute and I've already started this, which is good. What happened? Why are you not coming where? We're going for daddy soon, but look, filming.
No, you're just sleeping.
Jonathan, I'm not sleeping, I'm filming. Look up there, so. Alright. I don't even have the fan on in this room because this, I'm not going to be in here long, right? This makeup is only 10 minutes, right? I'm so finished, puppy. And I'd also be featuring another one of my 6D lashes. I think these are Vivine, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look. I think these are the that I have. Alright. So
have the fan.
who have the fan?
Me.
Oh, grandma letting me the fan? Oh.
He came for it.
Jonathan come for the fan too?
Let's go to
Papa, thank you so much. You are so romantic, Papi. Honestly, I'm so blessed to have you. Yeah, make it stay on one. Thank you, Papa. I love you. See, this eyebrow is hella thinner. Oh my gosh. That eyebrow is so much thinner. That's why I don't like to rush. But I must say, doing my eyebrow with the pencil is way easier. If my eyebrows were micro bladed, yo, this step would have been non-existent. But I'm low-key scared to get my brows micro bladed because I'm afraid of the healing process, how it's going to look, the upkeep when my brow hairs start growing in, you know, because you know I don't have any brow hairs, right? So it's going to look hella weird, especially on me when they do start growing in. Like I'm going to have like stubble underneath the microblade, you know what I mean? So, and microblading ain't cheap. It's if you have disposable income. I'm leaving my brows like that. I'm not going any further. It is what it is. Juvia's Place Foundation in 210. This is what Togo 210. Alright, little tips. Gosh, I love how my face looks. My face just looks nice and like warm. No, granted, this brush has like foundation mixed in it from when I would use my Black Opal in Express. I forgot, but it's like hella darker than my skin. So like I saw it all when I first applied. Oops, sorry guys, that's my phone. I can't reach it right now. Oh, Jaleel. So my grandmother, which would be Jaleel's great grandmother, she has Jaleel. Lord God, that part of my brow remote. Oh my God. Jonathan, just devote. Oh my gosh, guys, let me fix the fan. I'm coming, fixing the fan. 5 minutes. Alright, then I'm going to highlight. This is number 13 from Juvia's Place. Oh God, it's not done. Watch there. Whoa, it come and nearly dig up my corner eye. And my eye, I'm almost dig it out. Can you imagine other people's eye? So I have everything like laid out right here beside me, prepped and ready. And that's the key, I think, for doing your makeup quickly, is to just have everything prepped and ready. When I have to be digging for stuff, that's when it takes time. Oh my gosh, I don't have a setting. I need a setting powder. I need my Sasha Buttercup. And I had a bunch of the sample ones, and I think I gave all of them away. And then I must have one box somewhere. Cannot find the box. Anywhere. Where is it? Okay. Sample, and it's all broken up. Oh my gosh. If you guys can see, but it's like all broken up. Alright. Boy. Where am I going to find setting powder? I need to go buy a freaking powder. I'm not remember for bed. It wants some frack with setting powder because the crumbles, they're like falling everywhere. Oh, sorry for the noise. There's a car passing outside. Sorry guys. Perfect Spice Sasha Cosmetics. Oh God. Oh my gosh. 7 minutes. Oh, that run. Hey, brother. Oh, my car key. Look on the table. If you see.
I don't know if I in a compatible to do.
Hey, where say you buy one what?
Tire pressure sensor and air compressor, so it's like the electrical thing for bring up back it, so we have to stop at gas station.
Oh, and get air?
Yeah, so that check the tire pressure, make you know where they are there.
So where you plug that in?
You know, this tray, they get the light or something.
I lie.
And the electric and the
What?
I want to go and get. I get
I thought, where you buy it, a Birds?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, wonder.
Check. Yes. And that means if you still have your something, where that
Yeah,
name?
just like this morning, I've received it, I still have everything.
Okay.
Because I said, I know more, no one here and things, so I'll have it.
Yeah,
And
convenient.
it's portable because it's small and everything. You know.
And the destroyer. What you say? Guys, my eye is watering. Oh my gosh.
Going outside to the car.
I looked at the time and it was saying 7 something, and I just looked up and it said 9 something. Look how things are itch for my eye.
Jonathan.
Can you imagine my lashes? Woo! Alright, lips. Oh my gosh, you guys. And I'm done. I'm done, you guys. I'm done. It's 10:11. I'm done. I'm done. Full face. Yes. Done. Done. Am I glowing? No. Did I contour? No. Just highlighted. But it's 10 minutes. Like, what more do you want from me? Are my lashes wonky? Yes. But I'm done. I did it this time. I did it this tiempo. Okay, it's probably 10 minutes and a couple seconds. But I dare anybody to do what I just did, honey. I dare you. With the lashes. Oh, gosh. Come on now. Come on now. These full, nice lashes. 10 minutes. We did that, honey. Okay, so this is the entire look. A little head wrapping tutorial. Not really much of a tutorial. It's hella simple. It's the simplest head wrap you can find on YouTube and everywhere else in the world. In the world. Alright, I'm done. See how this come down, this go up. Oh my, it can. Oh, it wasn't even touch. I'm done. I'm not even not touch it. I'm done. I'm done. Mission accomplished. 10 minutes. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Well, that's it for the video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Alright, you guys. So, I'm back. I'm going in and fixing what needs to be fixed. Like this part, the dig out. Remember that? I'm going to fix that. Yeah. I'm going to see the lash. Oh, the lash is on. Hold on. I think I need to fix this lash. Just going to peel off the glue that's on it and reapply the glue. I love how full. See how full these lashes are? God. Bye bye. My apologies for the noise, you guys. I don't have lighting anymore. I use natural light, so the windows are open. The window them can't lock. Though them not in the room, I'm gonna set a little fan on. Look how weird I look. Look me. You. It don't look good. Alright, so I'm using my state-of-the-art lash glue. Alright, so then I'm going to go around my eyebrows and blend out. Just blending out around the edges. See, that looks way better. I think I'm liking the penciled look. I did not contour, so I'm gonna leave that as is. So I'm going to redo my head wrap because I don't like how it looks. Right. Excuse me. Nothing can separate. Even when I ran away, your love never failed. You stay the same through the ages. Your love never changes. Maybe not for a night, but joy comes in the morning. And when the ocean breaks. It work?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the look for today. It's another 10 minutes. You know what? I'm not of this. I want to say everything out a while ago, but I'm going back to my notes to get the exact name of the lashes that I'm wearing. So I'm going to look at the code, because them give me a code, but then write down the name them side of them. So I'm going to look on what one. I knew it! So I'm wearing Vivienne. Oh my god, look at how full she is. Bruh, like, Look at how full these lashes are. This is beautiful. Anyway, so I'm done. This is the look. LA Pro Primer in nude. This is the look. And I have a confession. I've been wearing this lip combo because I have no more lip stuff. Because I don't think I told you guys, I throw away all my makeup that I have, my personal makeup and my makeup artist kit. I no longer have it because after the whole Jaclyn Hill thing, I started going in my kit and I was like, oh, I must have some expired things in here, so I no longer have my kits. I'm redoing my entire makeup artist kit, and I'm also redoing things for my personal collection. So it's a very expensive endeavor. I got some stuff in my kits already, and I've spent well over 45,000 Jamaican dollars, which is over 300 US dollars. So yeah. Anyway, I'm done. No, I'm not done. Can't done. I'm gonna kill. So I am through with this tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. So long, bye bye. So long, bye bye.